guys, hey, it's me, Killoren Bensimon, and I am here with makeup artist Michelle Clark from Mac Cosemetics, and today we are gonna see the real reveal of my Halloween makeup. So we saw the test the other day, it looked unbelievable, but now today Michelle is going to go through all the steps on how to get the same makeup that she's making for me so that you guys can do it at home. So this is so exciting. And by the way, happy spooky Halloween. Okay, well, let's get started.
Okay, so we're gonna start by mapping out the eye with Power Surge eyeliner. This is a very important step because you wanna create this shape. All right. So the next product we're going to be using is going to be Amber Light's eyeshadow all over the lid. This is going to create the metallic shape that we've been waiting for. So we're going to fill in all of the lines that we just created, and I'm gently just tapping the color across the lid. So next step is glitter, everyone's favorite. So I'm gonna mix these two shades. This is 3D Brass Gold and then Reflex Bronze together to create your custom glitterati eye.
Glitterati, my custom eye, love.
First of all, these are custom lashes. They were painted with gold to match the look. So here they are, and I'm just gonna measure them and see if they fit. Next, we're gonna do a little mixture of face and body foundation in two different shades. One is a little brighter and one is a little bronzier. And I'm gonna mix in a little bit of gold pigment with that as well. With this color, it's called Hey Coral Coral.
Hey Coral!
Hello, look at this packaging.
That is so gorgeous, I love that. Oh my gosh.
This is Rising Star, and it's kind of a warm golden hue. It's got stars on the inside, which
oh my god, I love that.
So cute. So I'm just gonna go down the center of the face. And then my trick is you go back over what you just did with your translucent powder brush and kind of push that color back into the skin. Last but never least is to top it off with everyone's favorite gloss. It's like wearing honey on your lips. Are you ready? The big reveal.
I am so excited. Let me see this, Michelle. Thank you so. Oh my, you guys, look how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh. That is incredible. And my skin looks so delicious. I love that. I love that. That is so hot. Thank you, Michelle Clark. Thank you, Mac. Thank you, I can't even speak. Thank you, Michelle Clark. Thank you, Mac Cosemetics, for making me so beautiful and customizing all these, the glitter and my skin, and just making me feel so beautiful. I feel so gorgeous. That is over the top.